Good morning, people. I literally just woke up and I was actually planning to go somewhere. And I don't know, just wanted to vlog. It's been a long time, and I've been staying home due to COVID 19. We are literally not allowed to go anywhere but to stay home. So that's what I've been doing. You see all the snow? There's not too much right now because it's only been started an hour or 2 hours ago. But they have a new warning issued on their website, set 15 centimeter. Okay, I told you guys we're not going anywhere outside, but we still have to step outside no matter what, because we're gonna have to shovel this snow. Honestly, let me tell you something really weird. Probably you guys don't like it, but I love snow. I don't know why you guys don't, but I just love it. Don't mind my hair and beards. Been staying home for a longest time in my life. I have never stayed for this long. For now, the best thing we could do is shovel the snow, and I love this part. I don't know why people hate it so much. And stop looking at me. Look at the snow. Well, you don't have to think before you say it. Just say it. So if people like it, they like it. If they don't, that's their problem, buddy. So the best way of doing it is you just gotta hold it and push it. And I don't know where to start, but it's all white. Oh! See that? Okay, I like to do snow, but it's getting cold, and snow is falling on me. I am loving it, no doubt about it, but I would like to go back inside. Yo, Hassan, what else can we do for today? Nothing? Bro, what else can we do for today? Okay, we're shoveling the snow, but that's not enough content. We're gonna have to do something. How about, we can't go outside, so how about we cook something at home? Are we gonna do that? Because we ain't using Uber Eats today. Guys, let me catch you in a bit. That's enough. My hands are frozen. I don't want to get frostbite. Even though it's not that cold, but still it's better to avoid. So long ago I told you guys that we will be cooking at home. So you see, our grill is almost ready. Our chicken is all set. And the next step is we're just gonna put this inside the grill, which is over there. And I'll show you the final product. Simple as that. On the side, we are boiling some rice that will be going with our chicken, and I will show you the final product. Stay tuned. Hassan, I'm starving. Is it ready? He says so it should be. Alright guys, it's time for our second chip. We're gonna clean up the snow, and then I actually have to go somewhere. Not somewhere, but outside, because I just love snow and I like to drive in the snow. And also have to go to a gas station to get the gas, and superstore maybe. So let's just clean up the snow first. Remember, we literally did this a couple hours ago. Now it's all snow again. Okay, let me show you something. Let me stay. You guys see how thick this is? That's my car. It's all covered up. I gotta have to clean it, but like, you guys actually see it? That's a lot of snow for today. And I would love to start my car, but how? Yo, can I borrow this? I just want to make some space for my Sorry, my bad. I can't do it with my hand. Make some space. I just want to start the car. Okay. Perfect. I was trying to clean my car, and the snow is just too much. Literally broke my the brush actually. Yeah. So you know what? We're not supposed to do that. I literally would never do that, but I have to go, and my brush is not working. So just for the mirrors. But be nice. You see? I just wanted my mirror to be clean so I can see stuff just nicely on your mirror so you can see. That's all. Nice and easy. I think it's pretty good. So far so good. And you actually did the right thing. Yeah. You parked the car inside, so you don't have to do shit. Jump in.
कभी गहरी बातों में माहिर कभी मैं शोला कभी मैं खाक में सोया हुआ ख्वाबों की धूप.
Alright guys, so we're back home. It's time we say goodbye to each other. You guys have a good sleep. Sorry, my bad. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hopefully, if I vlog again, I'm gonna try my best. Because me and my friends were planning. Actually, my friends are kind of lazy, but I was planning to go to Niagara Falls in this winter time to see the falls, the frozen falls, or whatever the condition is. We will find out when we go there. So you guys have a great night. Peace out. I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream. You guys do whatever you like. Thank you. Have a good night.